Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones with two amazing contenders: the Potensic Atom SE GPS drone, aka Atom SE, and the Techwonderz drone with camera, or Techwonderz. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk about the price. On the left corner, weighing in at a cool $299, we have Atom SE. On the right, at a budget-friendly $129, we have Techwonderz. One could buy Techwonderz and still have enough money left for a pizza party. Party popper. But hey, does more expensive mean better? Let's find out. Now, let's get to the cameras. Atom SE struts in with a 4K EIS camera featuring a Sony sensor. It's like the James Bond of drone cameras, shooting 12 megapixels photos and 4K videos at 30 FPS. Meanwhile, Techwonderz offers a 1080p HD dual camera setup. It's like the friendly neighborhood Spider-Man of cameras, reliably but not quite 007. Reviewers love the Atom SE's ability to capture incredibly detailed footage, while Techwonderz users appreciate its good image quality for the price. Next, flight time. Atom SE boasts a whopping 62 minutes of flight time with its two 2,500 mAh batteries. That's almost enough time to watch an episode of your favorite TV show. Techwonderz, on the other hand, offers a respectable 50 minutes. That's like watching the highlights of a soccer match. Still pretty good. Reviewers of the Atom SE rave about its long battery life, while Techwonderz users find its flight time sufficient for their needs. How about ease of use? Atom SE comes with a beginner-friendly surge fly control system and 3 flight modes. It's like having a personal drone coach who doesn't yell at you. Techwonderz, however, is no slouch. It has optical flow positioning and altitude hold mode. Think of it as a drone with training wheels. Great for beginners and kids. Reviewers highlight the Atom SE's ease of use and stability, while Techwonderz is praised for being user-friendly and perfect for children. Let's not forget the special features. Atom SE packs in GPS auto-return, Follow Me, and Waypoint Flight. Basically, it's like having a drone with a PhD. Techwonderz also impresses with cool tricks like 360 degrees flips, gesture control, and obstacle avoidance. It's like a drone with a circus act. Reviewers love the advanced features of the Atom SE, while Techwonderz users enjoy its fun and engaging capabilities. Summarizing the reviews, Atom SE is praised for its stability, camera quality, and advanced features, making it a solid choice for those looking for a high-quality drone experience. On the other hand, Techwonderz is celebrated for its ease of use, affordability, and fun features, making it perfect for beginners and casual users. So there you have it, folks. Atom SE is like the premium sports car of drones, while Techwonderz is the fun and affordable family sedan. Which one should you buy? Well, if you want top-notch camera quality and longer flight time, go for Atom SE. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with plenty of fun features, Techwonderz is your drone. Let us know in the comments which drone you'd pick and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all our latest comparisons. Until next time, remember, buy smart, fly smarter. Product links are in the description.